Hello, this is Earl Mallory with Glory Mortgage. Welcome once again to Mortgage U. In the home buying process, there's multiple parts. There's getting pre-approved, there's making an offer, getting the offer accepted. Then it's handing the information over to processing, and then it goes into underwriting. So today I thought we would look at that step. We're going to start out with the very first question. What is underwriting? Underwriting is a process by which the lender verifies your income, your assets, your debt, and property details in order to issue a final approval on your loan application. Now, underwriting happens behind the scenes, but that does not mean you won't be involved. Your lender might ask for additional documents or have questions such as where does a bank deposit come from, or they may need proof of further assets. So, what does an underwriter do? When your future home undergoes an appraisal, the mortgage underwriter will take a look at your finances and assess how much of a risk the lender will take on if they approve your loan. The mortgage underwriter will also help the lender decide on whether they'll grant you an approval, and they'll work with you to make sure you submit all your documents. Now, some of the other things a mortgage underwriter will do: an underwriter can look at your credit score and pull your credit report. They can order an appraisal to make sure that the amount that the lender offers for the home matches up with the home's actual value. They will ask you to prove your income and your employment situation. They will examine your debts and compare them with your income to ensure that you have more than enough cash flow to cover your monthly mortgage payments, taxes, and insurance. And the underwriter will also look at your savings account to make sure that you have enough savings to supplement your income or to use as a down payment at closing. So, how long does the underwriter take? Well, your mortgage can be just as unique as your personal finances, so the amount of time that it takes can vary from case to case. So, how do you make sure that you have the best underwriting experience? Well, the lender handles most of the underwriting process, but there are a few steps that you can take to make sure that you have the best possible experience. Some of those steps are avoiding any major financial changes or opening any new lines of credit. Also, avoid making any purchases that could decrease your assets. Once the underwriting decision has been made, you can go forward with any planned purchases. Next, you want to make sure that you respond to the inquiries as quick as you can. Your lender may contact you and request additional financial documents, bank statements, other proof of income or assets. Respond to these requests as quickly as you can because they will hold up the process. The next step is that you want to be upfront and honest about your finances. Your underwriter will know if you're not honest about your income, credit history, or assets, so there's no use hiding any information. So the bottom line is underwriting is simply the lender verifying the information that you provide so they can go forward with an approval on your loan. I hope this is helpful. This is Earl Mallory with Glory Mortgage. Thank you for watching Mortgage U.